In this case, the first thing is to turn the air pump to an open state. It is now open. Then rising up is a start. This is the start. Then this opens. After the air pump is turned on, first turn on this air source. Swipe right. The pressure is around 0.4 ampa. Let's see that the 4P circuit breaker is also closed in the early stage. Under normal circumstances, the PLC is a green light. Green light is normal. The following 4A5 communication module is flashing. It means that it is also normal to communicate with the above servo. And the lights are here also. According to the current situation, it should now be the initial state. The initial state is the current state. Also to check is to look at this switch. The switches are all blinking now. Explain the current communication of the whole system. Either night communication is no problem. Blinks should be all at the same one frequency. Before starting it, first check the emergency stop. See if the emergency stop is pressed to loosen it. Now the emergency stop is released. Look again. After a power on, look at the status of the inverter. The inverter first should now be a set frequency of 30 Hz. But didn't start. After startup, there is a stop on it, a run symbol, no error. The error should be a number starting with F. There is no error status now. It's ready to be done. Then there is the PLC. If you want to use PLC, first look at these interfaces. Look at the robot here. Here you can monitor some status of the robot as long as the communication is normal. It will have these display buttons. This place is the first for the grasping of the steering gear. Now we set 10 kilograms per centimeter. As much as possible in this location. If there are no special circumstances, there is no need to change, because if there is a change, it will have a grip. If it is set too large, there will be an overcurrent protection. That is, it will release itself after grabbing the material during the grabbing process. 10 should be able to set. The maximum can be set to 20. The minimum can be set to 0. Then here is a display of a silo. It can display the status of the current silo. If there is material, the corresponding indicator will light up. Here are two parts, alarm reset of PLC and alarm reset of robot. Values are now displayed. It means that there is no problem with communication and PLC. Then you need to check before running. Now there is some material under it. If it is expected, its operation will not work. So take this material down from this place. Take out. Let's confirm this emergency stop again. For this light curtain, if it is running and there is a light curtain, it will alarm immediately. Disconnect the robot, then the conveyor belt stopped. But when it stopped, this light curtain is useless, including the rear security door is the same. Take this material out and fill the silo with material before running. Make sure that the indicator light is on to indicate that the minimum requirements for the material block to start the operation have been met. Explanation is informative. This is expected. We will continue to put material in it. This material can be randomly placed. Guaranteed material must fall in a flight state. It's full. Then that's the end of the cup. Let's pull the chunks down. If the material block, we can randomly place a position that can be crossed. Then put all the pieces on top. Put it all in. And then this is some of the preparations here.